Hi, I'm Chris Bryce with Superservice.com. I want to talk to you about how to maintain the speed of a CPU. The first thing to consider in maintaining the speed on your CPU is the amount of processing that you're doing. If you're constantly adding software programs to your computer and adding more information to your hard drive, your CPU is going to begin to slow down. Ways to avoid this are to remove some unnecessary software applications, including, surprisingly enough, fonts. A lot of the programs out there, such as Office and Paint programs and things like that that might utilize fonts, have the ability to add bold, italic, and underline features to the fonts. In your fonts directory, there may be several different duplicate fonts in the way of having a font such as Arial, and then having the font Arial Bold and Arial Italics and Arial Underline. There's no need to have those extra fonts. Because the software programs will add those features to the font for you, you can eliminate usually 50 to 75% of the fonts that are in your font directory, and that will extremely speed up your computer. Aside from that, one of the things you can look at doing as you're adding software programs to your system is adding memory. If you add RAM to your system, that will eliminate some of the processing that your CPU has to do and open the floodgates a little bit to allow it to process faster. So if you see that your CPU is beginning to decline in speed, a simple RAM adjustment by adding just a little bit of RAM or doubling the size that you've got in there will make a ton of difference for your system. And that's how to maintain your speed of your CPU.